So we are going to talk about this Kindle and its feature. So we'll go one by one. First we will talk about this view, look and feel. So this is the front view. Here they have provided this 2 button to go through the page up, page down, and this is the back view. There Amazon has provided this handhold grip which gives good reading compatibility, and it is very good in holding the Kindle. Now this is the button they have provided at side. Make use of this button to switch on and switch off this screen, and in parallel to this on and off button they have provided this charging port. With this we can charge the Kindle. So this is all about this view. Now we'll talk about this body. So this is made of aluminum. This color is graphite, and touch is very nice touch feel we are getting. So this body quality is very nice. Now we'll go inside the Kindle. So making use of this button to switch it on, I have on this, and we'll go to home, and we'll go through settings. So at settings they have provided this 2 option with respect to brightness and warm adjustment. We can tell that light adjustment. So here based on our requirement we can do it manually, or if you are lazy like me, then just do auto brightness. It will take care based on your room lighting to make the comfortable to your eyes. So this is all about GUI, and suppose we want to change from left hand side to right hand side, GUI will get auto adjusted, no need to worry about. So this is other feature. Now with respect to the GUI, they have provided this mode, dark mode. Here if we click, it is becoming black. In case reading the book at night, then it will be more comfortable to our eyes. So that is one more feature with respect to GUI. So just now I used one term GUI, my main, that is display. So this was all the features with respect to display. Now we'll talk about other feature. Next feature which I am going to explain, how many ways we can take the book. So first thing, like whenever we will log in for the first time this Kindle, it will ask you to sign in or sign up through Amazon credential. So whenever we will sign in, it will sync with our account, our Amazon account, and we can get the book from store. So how to get? Just click on store, and here we can access all the books available at Amazon, and whatever book we want to purchase, we can purchase from here automatically. So let me click this book, and if you see, it is telling redeem gift card, try sample or add to list. So this price is 39. So if we click here, then it is showing that at my Amazon this is the balance. So like that we can purchase the book from your Amazon balance, or so that is the one way to getting the book directly from the store. Now second thing, like just now I told that whenever we will log in for the first time, it will ask you to sign in or sign up through your Amazon account. So whenever we will sign in based on the email provided, it will create one temporary email address. So for me also it has created. So whatever book we will send on this particular address, it will come to this Kindle. So that is the second way. Now we'll talk about the third way. Third way, this charging port we are seeing, we can connect through the wire through the laptop, and we can upload the books in the same way we do in our pen drive. So this is all the way we can get the book, and whatever book is there, we can go through the library, we can check what all book are there, and we can here since it is having very huge storing capability, so there can be n number of book. So for easy access, they have provided this sorting, like how you want to access the book based on recent, based on title, based on author, or we can filter the book, something like whatever book we have read, total unread book, this comic book, sample book, and documents means whatever. Also we can keep all my personal document in this. So this is all about the book. Now we will talk about other feature. Let me go to the white mode or light mode, and we'll see the reading feature. In our library there are multiple book, so it keep track of all the book. It remember how much page you have completed, how much percentage you have completed, so you can see that this much book are there and this much percentage we have completed. So now we'll go to home, we'll open any book. Yeah, so this book. So to change the page there are multiple way. First way, going through this button. If you click top button, it will go to the next page. If we click the down button, it will go to the previous page. The same thing we can do with other way. The same thing we can do in other way. We can click right hand side, it will go to the next page, and left hand side it will go to the previous page. And there is one more way to changing the page, just by sliding. If we slide left to right, it will go to the previous page, right to left, it will go to the next page. So these three way we can change the page. Now they have provided many reading feature, like here you can see it is showing 32 minutes left in this chapter. So this Kindle having some algorithm which keep track of your reading habits, or how are you reading. So based on that it calculates that to complete this chapter, total 32 minutes left, 47% of the book we have completed. If we keep tapping this, we will see multiple options. Here it is showing that 1 hour 42 minutes left to complete this whole book. Here it is showing that I am at location 374. In case we don't want to see anything, we can just make it idle. So again I am coming back here, the reading feature. So suppose we don't know the meaning of this particular word, then just click this word, it will show the dictionary meaning. We can search the meaning in Wikipedia. Also we can find the meaning in our local language. With respect to that, we can also highlight some paragraph. Also we can make note, and there is also option like click the bookmark. Here we can add the bookmark. So these all are the reading feature. And also we are having this vocabulary builder. So whatever word we are searching on which book, it keep track of that and it store. This Kindle Oasis comes in two variant. One is 8 GB, one is 32 GB. So I have taken this 8 GB, one is 32 GB. And based on they have provided one manual book. They have told that we can keep many book, but they have told that to fast access, keep a habit of keeping 2000 book each folder. Now we will talk about charging. So just we need to connect the provided cable on charging port through our laptop or the charging adapter. It gets charged just within 2 to 3 hours. Best part of using Kindle is very read comfortable, getting word meaning very easily. No need to refer any other book, any other dictionary or anything. Just on the book itself we can find the word, and it is very compatible to our eyes. Even if we make 0, you can see. And if we open any book, we can get like we are reading through the paper. It is not like in that we are using any electronic gadgets. It is eye friendly either for young adult or kids. So my daughter also liking it a lot. She is going through her storybooks, and since there are very less, or we can tell there is no side effect for eyes, then if we use longer also there is no problem. So it's very good. So this is all about the Kindle. If you like, please like and subscribe Chavi Spandan channel. I will share you the link of this device in description box.